Hello, I'm Darragh from Energy Swing Windows, and I wanted to show you how our unique double hung window works. First of all, it looks like a typical double hung window in that it opens from the top and the bottom. A true double hung opens top and bottom, but it's unique, and I'll show you that in just a second of how it cleans. To remove the screen, the first thing you do is there's these little clips at the top. It comes with a full screen, by the way, so you can open the top and the bottom. But what happens, this screen, there's actually a safety catch on it. So when you release it, it doesn't fall. But the screen can actually be removed from inside your home. Now I'm going to put it back in right now because you really don't have to remove the screen to clean your window. So you make sure it's in the track outside, and you grab these clips and you pull them in. And one very important feature I want to show you, you have to make sure you push it back so that when you raise the top sash, it doesn't hit that clip. So the windows have grids inside of them. Not all of them, that's an option. This grid is called a prairie design. You can also get different types of designs, the most popular being a colonial design, which is horizontal and are vertical and horizontal grids. The windows have aluminum reinforcements inside of them, but to clean them, which is the big feature, this is actually a left-hand hinge double hung. The hinge is on the left. Instead of it tilting into clean, where you hold the weight of the sash and you have to look down at the ground to clean it, what this does is it actually has release clips on the side that you push over, and that little clip drops about 1/4 inch to hold the side back. And the same thing over here. And then weightless cleaning. You're looking through the glass to clean it all the time. And the same thing with this one comes in too. Now this one will not come in a full 90 degrees, it comes in about 50 degrees. But as you can see, you can clearly get in and clean the sash without holding any weight at all. And then you simply close it back up and make sure to engage the clips. And lock it back up. And that's it.